guys, my name is Teena and today I will be reviewing the Hello Happy foundation. Pardon me, nasugatan ako kanina. Hello Happy foundation from Benefit Cosmetics. I received this actually quite a few weeks ago and it's only now that I've made a review because I have been so busy, so pardon me. So since bagong labas lang din naman siya, ginawan ko na siya na review because I do want you guys to know if it's good or not, if it's worth it or not. Okay, so pretty much I guess that's just the intro. You're gonna see two parts of when I use this product you're gonna see two parts of the days that I use this foundation, because the first time it was like wasn't working out with that combination that, well, you're gonna see it. So you're gonna see it naman. I guess I should just stop talking and just let you watch the review. So if you guys want to know what I think about the product, then please stay and watch the video. Okay, so right now my hair looks weird. I look like I'm from the 80s. I will fix that later. So let me just put my hair away. So first off, I'm just gonna start by cleansing my face with a normal toner. Mabilis lang because I didn't get to do it before I filmed. By the way, I used the Bello Kojic Acid Micro Peeling Toner. I've been switching on and off with it, being experimental, you know. So next I'll be applying my primer, which is of course the Professional Primer from Benefit as well. Tagang inuubos ko to eh. Oh, it's like a signature. This is just to make everything last just a little bit longer. And now for the Hello Happy foundation. So obviously, since I'm reviewing Hello Happy, this is Hello Happy. In case you guys are wondering, I am in the shade number 2. The packaging is just super duper adorable. And then it says the shade in the back right there. 1 fluid ounce, which is I think standard. So packaging, cute naman niya, diba? Tas masaya rin lagi magpa-event si Benefit. That's why. And then I think this is more of a light foundation. Parang ito yung medyo runny siya, oh, ng slide. Hindi siya as thick as the others. So I'm gonna start off muna with this much, and I'm using my sponge from the Bella PH because, you know, I don't use any other sponge basically. In the event, they gave a sponge as well, but I'm just more, I haven't opened it yet because I don't like using too many tools all at the same time. Pag nasira na to, tsaka ko lang siya gagamitin. Yeah, it's blending super duper fast, as in super fast. I like using this better with a sponge than a brush. I have used it with a brush before, but it's just easier blended with a sponge. This is the first layer. As you can tell, it has medium coverage. Siguro light to medium siya. I'm going to add another layer just to show you how thick it can go if I add another layer. Some people go for 3 layers. I honestly just stick with 1. But since I'm trying to, you know, push it to the limit. Push it to the limit. Let's just do a thin second layer. Let's do the half first. So as you can tell, this looks like na parang light lang siya, and then this is medium. So like I said kanina, it's light to medium coverage. So I'm just gonna finish the rest of my face. Kasi normally, I'd be fine with light to medium coverage because I do add a hefty amount of concealer pa naman. So I really don't mind a light coverage foundation. Ayoko rin ng super duper kapal na foundation pa lang din kasi. So this really works for me. Pero if kayo yung type na talagang gusto yung cake, lalo na if you have a lot of discolorations or a lot of acne to hide, then you can definitely go for a much heavier coverage. Pero for me per se, masaya na ako with this kind of coverage. So right now, even if I put 2 layers, I do feel quite light. It doesn't feel na marami akong nilagay. It doesn't feel dry. It actually feels a little bit matte. Although as you can see here, medyo shiny siya. So I wouldn't say completely matte, pero it's leaning there. So I'm just going to finish the rest of my face and be back with my final thoughts about the product. Okay, so my makeup right now is, I mean, it's okay. Medyo nag-oil ako. But also, I'm sweating. So, hindi na siya kasing dry like a while ago. It's definitely set in more. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm just sweaty pero everything's still there. So, medyo nawala na yung dito. I've been sweating all day. Yung dito medyo namumuo siya. Yun, parang yung nose ko nawala na. I don't know if it's because ginamitan ko siya ng Boing, which is normally not what I use. I just wanted to use na all benefit sana. It's not going really well. Like, tapos dito parang kalang mo mukhang dry. So, I think it could be the concealer that I used and not the actual foundation. I don't know. Right now, I'm gonna have to retouch it because I'm gonna film a video with dry. Siguro, I'll show another day with using a liquid concealer that I normally use with it para to give it naman the fair chance. Today, I tried again the Hello Happy foundation again from Benefit. But today, I used na a liquid concealer as to before and I used a cream one. So, hopefully, it will last longer. Also, if you're wondering, I'm using the Benefit Ready Set Brow. I love it so much. So, today, we will just see how long it really lasts with a different concealer. Kasi last time, I really think it sabotaged the whole foundation. Kasi nga, I don't know, cream concealers and me just never work. So, right now, it's 5 p.m. and I'm going to church, have dinner, and watch a movie. So, when I get back home, siguro mga 12 a.m. na nun, I'll get back to you guys and see the difference. I will not blot. I will not retouch. I'll try not to touch it as much as I can. So, we will see everything. Okay, so it is now 10 or 11 p.m. Almost 11 p.m. and this is my makeup now. As you can tell, it's a little oily on the nose. But the rest of the face, foundation's still there. Foundation's still on my cheeks. My makeup's still there. Yung nose part lang for the oily face. Yun lang yung medyo, it looks weird na. And it needs retouching. But for the rest, it's okay. A little sweaty. Still, overall, it's fine. But I guess if you're super oily, it's not gonna be that great. And it works better with liquid concealers. Okay, so my final thoughts about the Hello Happy foundation from Benefit is that if you are someone who doesn't want a super duper thick foundation, this is perfect for you. It feels very light on the skin. So I would suggest this na if you have a more mature skin, this would also be great for you. What else? This works better with a liquid concealer than a cream concealer. Formulation is also good. Overall, it's a good foundation unless you are oily skin. I don't think it will last you the whole day if you have severely oily skin. The good thing about the Hello Happy is that they have quite a few range of foundation skin colors. They have from fair to dark. They don't have a lot of different tones in between, but they do have the basic colors that someone would need, from a super fair skin tone to medium and dark. So yung mga basic colors they have, it's okay with humidity. It's not the best, but it's okay. It lasts pretty long on the face, especially if you set it well, and also if you partner it with a great concealer. The concealer that I keep using when I use this foundation is the Rimmel Wake Me Up concealer with the Estee Lauder Double Wear on top, just to really set it in. Like, this is only to cancel the colors of my eye bags, but this is really to like keep my eye bag area set, as in talagang it will not crease. So these three in combination is perfect, especially also if you set it with a really good loose powder. The one that I've been using right now is J-Cat loose powder. But yes, this alone is good. It's good for every day. It doesn't feel heavy, so I really like this. So overall, I guess I would rate it maybe an 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, 8.8. Okay, actually I've been using this one lang a lot lately. That would pretty much say that I really like it. So there you go. I hope you found this video insightful and informative, and maybe it has convinced you to buy the Benefit Hello Happy. So if you have any more questions regarding the product, please leave it down in the comments section below. For more info, I will post Benefit PH's social media down in the description box, just so if you have any more questions with them or any of their other products, you can just message them directly. Kikay of the day is right here. Congratulations, you are the Kikay of the day. If you want to be the next video shout out, just comment down below hashtag Kikay of the day, hashtag Kikay of the day, or you can just comment on my Instagram, hashtag Kikay of the day as well, and I will see it there. So that is it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and pass this on to people who you know would be interested in this product. By the way, don't forget to click the notification button down below to see more of my videos. And that is it. I have nothing else to say, and with all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful. Bye. God bless.